Good afternoon, assassins. Hopefully everybody had a green day. We're looking at the SPY on the 1 year, 1 day chart. You can see that we're approaching a previous double top level. So we definitely want to be cautious going into the 458 levels on the SPY. So if we drop down towards the 180-day, you can see that we are trying to get above the 180-day SMA. If we continue to hold that level, we could see some more bullish activity. Watch for the break and hold above 458.50 tomorrow, and we could start basically pushing up towards 460 and maybe even retesting 465. RSI is a little bit more on the overbought side, so you definitely want to be careful with those long positions. If we do start to come back down, watch for the break of 456, then we could start retesting 453. If we break that 453 zone, we have a nice little gap down towards 445. So let's see what happens. Let's see if we continue to find some type of strength and hold above the SMA on the 180-day chart. Next stock we want to talk about is Tesla. So looking at Tesla, Tesla is still range bound over here, still struggling with that 950 zone. So we need to break 950 in order to have some nice uptrend. So this week, continue to watch that 950 zone over here. Once we break 950, we can start pushing up towards 993. If not, watch for Tesla pullback tomorrow. If we break 929, I think we could start going back down towards the 900s, which was a previous support in the past. Next one we want to talk about is Facebook. Facebook is showing some signs of strength. We talked about it in previous videos where Facebook was basically finding some type of support on the break of that 224. She had a possibility to go towards that 232 level. So watch for that 232 level. She is still a little bit more on the oversold side. So we can possibly see some more upward momentum on Facebook. Watch for the break above 233. And then we could start basically testing that 241 zone. You can see we had some sideways action, so that should be the next level of resistance. So 233 towards that 241, and if we start to come back down, watch for the break and hold below 225, which was some previous support before, and then we could start going down towards 216. Set your alert for Facebook. Next one we're going to talk about is Wells Fargo. So Wells Fargo got upgraded by JP Morgan, and what a run it had, right? So we basically had a gap fill towards that previous high of 58.95, and we have broken that level. Wells Fargo is running overbought, so you definitely want to be careful with those long positions. But if it continues this momentum, there's no doubt I think it will hit $60. If it basically breaks the momentum, I'm looking for a short position from that 58.60 down towards 58 and lower. Last but not least, we had an amazing run by NVDA today. Looking at NVDA, you can see NVIDIA. We've been talking about NVIDIA saying it's been below that SMA on that bearish trend. We found some type of flooring over here around those 12 levels, and we basically started to push back up, and we're trying to break that SMA once again. So watch the video tomorrow. We could see some bullish activity pre-market. If we start to hold above 269, we could start pushing up towards 276. If we can't hold this level, we could see some downside. Possibly on the break of this 264 level, we could start basically pulling back down towards 259. So that's going to be a quick watch list. Key stocks I'm going to be watching tomorrow. Make sure you guys leave a comment below. Stay patient. Make sure you guys use a stop loss. And if you're interested in our chat room, please use the link below in the description to sign up for our chat room. I'll see you guys in the next video later.